Yeah, they're the new ones. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Timmy Talks here. I'm doing a little different video today. It's nothing to do with cooking. I'm just gonna do a little unboxing. As you can see, I've already unboxed, so I'm gonna show you the process. I got some new headphones because my clumsy self decided to step on my Solo Free Beats headphones. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a little unboxing and review. I've played music with them and they sound really good, so I'm pretty happy, and they're very comfortable. They're on ear Solo Pro, so yeah. So I just got the new Solo Pros because I kind of broke my old ones, so I'm just gonna unbox them on camera as much as I can. How do I even unbox these? Okay, I think I just pull them apart. So it opens like that. Then you just, I don't know how to open this thing. I'm so fresh. Whoa, okay. They really upgraded the, oh wow, that's nice. It's got like it comes flat like this, and I'm sure they're in here, and then there's a bit for the accessories. I think you press it to open it. Okay, so that's the charging cable, and because they're owned by Apple now, the charger is like an Apple charger. So I'm just gonna open these up. Just gonna put my phone down. Okay. So I've got them now. That's the opening. That's the. Oh, it's very nice. These are the new Beats Solo Pro. They look really nice color finish. Yeah, they're the new ones. I'm very happy with that. They have the case. I think I'm gonna use my old case because I don't really like this. Charging cable and the hook. So that's cool, man.